Are you ready to begin your journey into ketosis but aren't sure where to start? No problem. So you want to start keto but have no clue what to eat for the first week? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm giving you a full 7-day keto meal plan that's simple, delicious, and designed to keep you in fat-burning mode. Stick around until the end because I'll also share tips to avoid the dreaded keto flu and stay on track. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a high-fat, moderate-protein, low-carb way of eating that flips your metabolism from burning sugar to burning fat. For most people, that means about 70% of calories from fat, 20–25% from protein, and just 5–10% from carbs, roughly 20–50 grams per day. Planning ahead makes sticking to these numbers much easier. Here's a full week of keto-friendly meals you can follow right now. Monday, breakfast, cheddar and spinach egg muffins. Lunch, cauliflower soup topped with bacon. Dinner, garlic butter shrimp with zucchini noodles. Snacks, turkey roll-ups with cucumber sticks and guacamole. Tuesday, breakfast, scrambled eggs on sautéed greens with pumpkin seeds. Lunch, chicken salad with avocado, tomato, and almonds. Dinner, hearty beef stew with mushrooms and celery. Snack, a creamy almond milk smoothie. Wednesday, breakfast, mushroom and broccoli omelet. Lunch, egg and avocado salad in lettuce wraps. Dinner, Cajun chicken breast with cauliflower rice. Snack, cheese slices with bell peppers. Thursday, breakfast, almond milk smoothie with chia seeds. Lunch, shrimp and avocado salad with feta and lemon. Dinner, garlic butter steak with asparagus. Snack, flax crackers with cheese and a boiled egg. Friday, breakfast, fried eggs with avocado and a few blackberries. Lunch, grilled salmon with a leafy green salad. Dinner, chicken breast with cauliflower mash. Snack, kale chips and cheese slices. Saturday, breakfast, scrambled eggs with jalapenos and tomatoes. Lunch, tuna salad with macadamia nuts. Dinner, pork chops with non-starchy veggies. Snack, celery with almond butter and a handful of berries. Sunday breakfast, full-fat yogurt with keto-friendly granola. Lunch, lettuce-wrapped beef burger with guacamole. Dinner, chicken and veggie stir-fry with homemade sauté sauce. Snack, sugar-free turkey jerky or an egg muffin. A few quick tips: drink plenty of water, add electrolytes to avoid headaches, and prep your meals ahead of time so you're never caught hungry. If you feel sluggish at first, that's normal. Your body is just learning to run on fat instead of carbs. So there you go. Your first 7 days on keto completely planned out. Which meal from this list are you most excited to try first? Tell me in the comments. And if this helped you, tap the like button, hit subscribe, and share this with a friend who's curious about keto. Let's get you burning fat the right way.